Hey friends, this is Rashi with Logan Foster. I'm here today on Sunday, Labor Day weekend, in this beautiful home. This is my newest listing in La Plata in the Agricopia subdivision. We are here for our open house today. Going to be here between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And gorgeous home. This is built in 2021, so practically new. Built on a 0.3 acre lot. This has almost 3,800 square feet of finished space, 3 finished levels, or luxury finishes. This is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And like I normally do, just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. As you can see, that's the front yard. There's a really nice backyard. Here is the entrance. You have a formal dining room. This is an office, or it could be a living room. This leads to the half bath here, and look at this gorgeous gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, really nice island, lot of room, kitchen table space. This connects to this large family room, and of course opens up to this beautiful fenced-in backyard. There's a concrete patio, perfect for summer activities. Very, very nice sized yard. Those stairs lead to the basement. The other feature in this home is it does have a main level owner suite. Beautiful large sized bedroom. You have your walk-in closet and really nice bath. The home does have a 2-car garage. That's what that door there is. You have your main floor laundry room. This is a little sneak peek. Like I said, all the information is available online, and we'll be here till 4 p.m. today. So please make sure to share with any friends, family who are looking in the area, and we do have a gift card drawing, so make sure to stop by. Thanks so much for watching.